So today we are going to learn about the basics of economics, about macroeconomics and microeconomics, and three types of economy: capitalistic economy, socialist economy, and mixed economy. And then we learn about the sectors of the economy that are primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, quaternary sector, and canary sector. And then we learn their contribution in GDP. So overall, we will learn about the basic of the economy. Economics is the study of how people, business, and government use limiting sources to produce, distribute, and consume goods and services. To understand the full scope of the economist, it is divided into two main branches. 1. Microeconomics focuses on individual economic units such as households, firms, and specific markets, like price, supply and demand, consumer behavior, firm decision, etc. 2. Macroeconomics focuses on the economy as a whole, including its overall performance and policies, like economic growth, inflation, unemployment, etc. And now we learn about your father of these two types of economy. J.M. Keynes considered as the father of macroeconomics, and he wrote the book The General Theory of Employment, Interest, and Money. Adam Smith considered as the father of microeconomics, also as the founding father of modern economics, and he wrote the book The Wealth of Nation. Economies are organized in different ways. Broadly, there are three types of economy: capitalist economy, socialist economy, and mixed economy. In capitalist economy, private ownership, focus on profit, no role of government, unequal income distribution. Example USA. In socialist economy, public ownership, for social welfare, complete involvement of government, distribution of wealth is equal. Example, USSR. In mixed economy, public and private both ownership, to get profit as well as social welfare, limited role of government, income distribution less unequal. Example, India. Types of sectors in economy. There are 5 types of sectors in the economy. 1. Primary sector, red-collar job. Primary sector directly depends on the environment, and what you've seen in agricultural activity in India includes light fishing, hunting, forest, mining, etc. Primary sector is considered as the backbone of Indian economy. It is considered as red-collar job. 2. Secondary sector, blue-collar job, also known as manufacturing sector because that transforms raw material into valuable product, includes building, construction, manufacturing, etc. Secondary sector includes activities that add value to raw materials. Secondary sector, also known as blue-collar job. 3. Tertiary sector, white-collar job, also known as service sector, where business produce services like teaching, transport, advertising, retail, healthcare, etc. Includes teaching, transport, advertising, retail, etc. Business in this sector provides services, not physical goods. They are also known as white-collar job. 4. Quaternary sector, knowledge sector. This sector, also known as knowledge sector, like lawyer, chartered accountant, banking, scientist, senior business executive, etc., includes lawyer, chartered accountant, banking, scientist, etc. This sector deals with knowledge-based activities. It involves analysis, planning, research, and expertise. 5. Quinary sector, gold-collar job. The canary sector requires expertise and advanced skills, and they are also known as gold-collar job. Includes finance service, media, research scientist, information, etc. It involves highly specialized and advanced level of knowledge and decision-making. They are also known as gold-collar job. Contribution of sectors in GDP and labor force participation rate. The 3 main sectors, primary, secondary, and tertiary, play a vital role in the economy of a country. 1. Contribution in GDP at current prices. The total GDP contribution across all 3 sectors equals 100%. Primary sector contributes 14.39% to the GDP. Secondary sector contributes 31.46% to the GDP. Tertiary sector contributes 54.15% to the GDP. 2. Labor force participation rate, LFPR. This section details the share of the labor force engaged in each individual sector. Primary sector. The labor force participation rate in the primary sector is 54.6%. Secondary sector. The labor force participation rate in the secondary sector is 24.3%. Tertiary sector. The labor force participation rate in the tertiary sector is 21.1%. Thank you. Keep learning and keep growing.